Alright YouTubers, today we're working on a 2002 Saturn SL2. We are doing the manual transmission shift cables. I was driving like a jerk on the freeway entrance, went first, second, third, and it's decided to stay in third. Didn't want to come out and go into fourth. Got the cables here. These cables I got from AutoZone. I paid $58 in tax. They price matched this with O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's didn't have it in stock. Alrighty, so I got the hood popped. I got the intake all taken out so I can get in there a little easier. So down here, you can see where, well, you can kind of see where the cables failed. It's that bottom cable, and you can kind of see, if my camera will load, right where my ring finger is pointing, where it came apart from this cable. From the cable below it, I should say. Let me move that top cable around. There we go. There you go. You can see it a lot better where it come apart. So I could move it up into the forward gears, or up. I can move it up into gear like first, third, and fifth, but I can't pull it back out. So we got to disconnect these cables. I'm gonna start underneath here. I've already got the top one off. So they have these metal clips that hold it in there. So they sit in there just like that. All you gotta do is just work them, back them out that way. And then what you want to do is, then at that point you'll get that other clip off the, you'll disconnect it from the transmission arm, or that shift arm there, and basically you just have these little clips. All you want to do is just pick up on it and work it out carefully. Careful it doesn't shoot out and you lose it. Then how you disconnect it from that bracket, this bracket right here, is you'll pull back on the boot there, and then push it. Oh crap! Yeah, push it through, and then lift out. And so then you'll do the same for that bottom one there. So the next thing you want to do is crawl underneath here on the passenger side and find where the cables go into the car. So right here is where they do that, just north of the catalytic converter here. So what you want to do is you want to break the seal and just do what you can to work it inside so that you could pull the cables through. Alright guys, so you want to push this rubber grommet thing through. The easiest way that I found to do that is to just get a screwdriver, push right next to it, and use this piece right here as leverage to just jam it through. Alright guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to disconnect these cables from your stick here. First thing is you got a 10mm bolt that holds these two pieces right here down, right over there, down right here. This bracket holds this over there. You want to take a 10mm, pull that out, and then this white one goes onto the side here where my middle finger is, or my finger is there. So you just pull that off with the screwdriver. And then this one, usually I'm told that this grommet goes bad, but this one looks okay. But my new one's got a new grommet, so we're gonna use the new grommet. But that one, this one right here, to get it off, I required me to take the 4 mounting bolts off and then get really underneath there with the screwdriver on this thing and yank it out. But it should come out. You might need to you might need to speak some choice words to it, but it'll come. Alright, so then at this point, you want to pull these cables straight through the car and everything to get them out. So, let's yank these all. Come on. You might have to crawl underneath there and feed them in through the thing, through that hole one at a time. But yeah, here we are. We've got, right here, this is the upper cable that we pulled first. Right here, the upper cable, both got white ends, and then this darker end, the black end here, this is where we could see where it came apart on us, and where it wasn't pulling it out of gear there. So now for install. Install is just the same as this, just in reverse.